Hey all, welcome to Serpwizz. Natalie here, and today we are going to talk about one of Ahrefs tool, which is the rank tracker. So rank tracker is just one of the 5 core tools that Ahrefs offer. So the first one is Site Explorer, then Keywords Explorer, Site Audit, Rank Tracker, and Content Explorer. Dashboard is more of like the overall interface that you're gonna get once you sign up for an account with Ahrefs. And without further ado, let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, so that's loading right there, and here we go. This is called Rank Tracker. So Ahrefs is claiming that what it does is to monitor your rankings over time and chart your performance against your competitors. And then you also get scheduled reports straight to your inbox. Immediately just hearing that, don't you think it's already awesome? And if you want to hear more about it, definitely keep on watching. And we start with understanding what rank tracker does. So one of the great things about rank tracker is that it allows you to work on your desktop or on your mobile. So we know how the clients or you as business owners, you're always on the go, and you can always have your desktop or laptop with you, or and have them open all of the time. So Ahrefs went ahead and thought of that themselves, and came up with a tool that you can access both on your desktop, laptop, and your mobile, so that you can always have a look at how your website is ranking and stuff like that. So here, you just add keywords, and then you select the countries that you want to target, and you can also input your competitors' URLs, and Ahrefs will start tracking data and will send you regular updates. So it's really just that easy. All you have to do is give them the information, or the what are the details that they need, and then you will get the updates straight on your devices. And then here you visualize your SEO progress with their visibility, average position, and traffic positions distribution. Feature that will help you tremendously in monitoring your ranking all across the World Wide Web. So this is an example of what a rank tracker feature looks like. So as you can see, instead of using just numbers, they also give you the results in visualizations, and that's what Ahrefs are known for, and they're proudly doing that because they also understand that some clients or some users appreciate visualizations more than just seeing all the numbers, because in reality numbers can get really overwhelming when you look at them all in one go, right? So that's a great thing and a very thoughtful feature that Ahrefs offer. And here you see the visibility feature. Here you get the average position and traffic. So all of these are expandable. And if you want to check those out, you can definitely just click on them, and you get um a detailed a more detailed information about the specific portions. And lastly, the positions distribution. Um and you also get different results up here, and scrolling down further, you can see if your website ranks in SERP features. So there are a total of 13 features that you can get data from: feature snippets, site links, top stories, image pack, so on and so forth. So those are all very helpful features that are included in rank tracker. And then here you get to see what the percentage of where you rank, or like how many the percentage of the content or website that you rank according to your keywords, or according to different variables that you are supplying. And here, all non-tracked features. So this is the SERP features overview, that you can also get the results for image back, and people also ask. And we know that these are they come from search engines. When you search something, and you can select images, or There are suggestions that have answers and it's labeled as people also ask. So those are other things that you can get from. Here we have keywords, find keywords that gained or lost SERP features using our handy filter. So the filters are not just really to get you to see results that you're targeting, but they are very useful if you want to narrow down several variables that will affect the results of your search. So here you go with another filter feature. You can sort your keyword list with filters and tags. So even the date of the even the date of the keywords, location, tag positions, volume, and etc. You can search all of those and filter it accordingly to your preference or needs. And then here you see how you stack up against your competitors. So you can actually with this tool, you don't just get to see your results but also your competitors and compare them side by side, even on the same graphs, so that you get a clear visualization of what is going on with your site and your competitor site and what other things that you need to improve on, and what are they doing differently and stuff like that. So there you go with the competitors overview, competitors traffic table, and competitors serve features table. Here we have share of voice functionality. So those are for pages fighting for search traffic, depending on the keyword that you are pertaining. And then have advanced metrics at your fingertips. So these are different metrics that also come with the tool. And then these are the metrics as well in full view. And like I've mentioned earlier, you get the results straight on your devices via email. So that's one particularly great thing about Ahrefs and this specific tool, because you don't have to manually search for it or manually do the search itself. Once you provide the information they have at the beginning when you set up the tool, hold on, it's this one. Once you give all the information needed, um all you're gonna have to do is wait for the results in your email and you're good to go. So that's it for this tool called Rank Tracker by Ahrefs. This is one of their core tools that you will be getting if you sign up with an if you sign up for an account with them, and it's a paid subscription. So once you have an account and you have selected your um pricing or rate that you are comfortable with and you prefer, then you can have access to these tools and all of their features. So that is it for us today. If you want to see more of our videos, there's a link of the playlist on the description box. And we hope to see you on the next one. We will be doing Content Explorer. We hope to see you on this next one. And we also hope that you find this review and tutorial very helpful. Thank you guys for watching.